This is take one. Marker.
Art. Party. Art party. Glitter. So this is the eye makeup that I want to do. It's from the fall-winter Chanel show. I was thinking, can you do this in real life? Can you make it work? And where would you wear it? Definitely not in your everyday situation, but more for a party and definitely for the Whitney art party. I'm Hanneli Mustaparta, street style photographer and model. Join me and the experts inside Vogue as I test the latest beauty looks and take those looks from concept to reality.
So this look came from the Chanel Fall 2013 show. It was done by the makeup artist Peter Phillips. Sort of the silver and the glitter conjures some references, I think, immediately of Andy Warhol and the Factory, that silver, intentionally over-the-top silver effect. And I think also art party is about having fun and not taking things too seriously, and this is the perfect look to sort of test run there. Part of what made this look so beautiful and kind of visible from the runway was that the particles are a little bit bigger.
Right.
So if you just get a little bit of adhesive glue, like a professional makeup adhesive glue that's safe for your eyes.
Okay.
You just place a little on and you just place them where you want. That way you really get the shine factor, I think, when you blink.
Yeah, and then when the light hits it, and then... Hey! How are you?
Good, how are you?
So I'm going with Hannah Bronfman to the Whitney Gala. The cool thing about Hannah, she's totally up for trying something new and different. Have you decided what color you want, Hannah?
I think I'm gonna do gold.
It's kind of like a little bit 60s, but with a modern twist on it.
It looks really good. I'm so excited for tonight.
What I liked about the whole look was that it seemed a little over the top to begin with, but then it just really worked in a beautiful way. And people were just excited because it was something new and different and something unexpected. And it really, really fit the theme of the night. Join me, Hanneli, for more episodes of Beauty Mark. Subscribe to the Vogue channel.